In this video, I'm going to explain to you exactly how you can fix a NexiGo webcam that's not working for you. So this is going to be the first step here. That's going to be some fast physical checks, and this usually fixes it for most of you out there. So what you're going to do firstly is to open the privacy shutter and then remove any plastic film on the lens. And I'm going to show you exactly what I mean with that. So you're going to basically remove this one right here, as you can see, and you're going to see the lens and see if there's any dirt on it and just clean it up and see if that can fix the issue, of course. And what you can also do is to unplug and then wait 10 seconds and then plug it back into a different USB port. That can also fix it sometimes. You're going to avoid USB hubs, docks, adapters for testing plugged directly into the computer. So if you're using some, like, I don't know, for example, if you're using some like hubs or something like that you have connected your camera to, and then that hub goes into your computer, avoid that. Just straight into your computer, if that makes sense. So if the cable is detachable, try a different USB-C, USB-A cable. Then you're going to test the webcam on another computer to rule out the hardware failure. So if none of this right here works, you're going to, if you have another computer, of course, test it on another computer and see if that works. So if that works, if it works on the other computer, most likely it's not the camera that is at fault. It's something wrong with the other computer that it's not working on, if that makes sense. And as you can see, the step number 2, what we can also do is to pick the camera and close conflicts. So in your app, if you're using Zoom, Google Meet, Teams, OBS, you're going to set the camera as NexiGo. And then you're going to quit other apps that might be using the camera. So if you're, for example, using Zoom, then quit like Discord or Google Meet or anything else that might use the camera as well, as it's going to be a conflict between those two, if that makes sense. And yeah, disable or exit the virtual cameras, OBS, virtual camera, snap camera, minicam while testing. And you're going to also give it permission, as you can see. So on Windows 10 or 11, on settings, go to privacy and security, and then click on camera, and then click on turn camera access on and allow your app. Then open the camera app to test. If it works there, it's an app issue, just so you know. And if you're using a Mac, then you're going to go into your system settings, privacy and security, then click on camera, and then you're going to allow that specific app that you're using the camera on. So for web apps, Google Meet, Zoom, in browser, in Chrome, Edge, you're going to go into settings, then click on privacy, then site settings, and then camera, and then choose NexiGo. So it actually allows NexiGo to access that specific website, if that makes sense. You can also fix some app and browser quirks. So in Zoom, go to settings, then video, then choose NexiGo. Try turning HD background effects off. In Chrome or Edge, toggle use hardware acceleration to off. So Chrome, as you can see, this is exactly where you need to go basically. And you can also restart the browser after that. And you can also refresh the driver on your Windows. So right-click Start Device Manager, then click on Cameras or Imaging Devices. Right-click the webcam, USB video device or NexiGo, and then uninstall device. And then click on Action and scan for hardware changes. Expand Universal Serial Bus controllers for each USB root hub, properties, power, and then management, and then uncheck Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. You can also update and reset settings, so update your video app and OS. If you use NexiGo webcam settings, control software, hit reset default, and test at 1080p first and see if that works. And if it's still black or no signal at all, then try a shorter quality cable and a USB 3.0 port. Remove any USB extenders, switchers while testing. And if that also fails on multiple apps and also on the other PC, the webcam is likely faulty. You need to contact the NexiGo support or exchange it. So I hope that this will be able to fix it for you.